The glycemic index is an extremely important parameter for when you're looking at foods and when you're trying to lose weight and when you're trying to get all the nutrients that you can while at the same time not taking in a lot of sugars. It's really difficult to find a food source that has a lot of the nutrients that you need while at the same time having a low glycemic index. And I think that that's one of the powerful things about Shakeology that will help you see results.
Shakeology, Beachbody's daily nutrition drink, scored a 24 on the glycemic index scale. And that's exciting news for anyone looking to improve their overall health. The glycemic index, which measures how quickly carbohydrates turn into glucose or sugar in your bloodstream, is an important barometer for helping regulate blood sugar. And with prediabetes on the rise, it's important for everyone to pay attention to the glycemic index.
Glycemic index is basically your sugar control. You don't want your sugar getting very low. You don't want your sugar getting very high.
Your body needs carbs for fuel, but it needs the right kind. So, look for foods low on the GI scale because they're broken down more slowly. A slower breakdown of carbs provides a steady level of energy throughout your day. This is the fuel that powers the brain and muscles, and it's important to everyone, regardless of your shape or activity level. Foods with an index level of 55 or less on the glycemic scale help maintain steady blood sugar levels. They include fruits, vegetables, nuts, beans, and Shakeology. At 24 on the GI scale, Shakeology is very low and very healthy for you.
Foods with a low glycemic index, like Shakeology, and like fruits and vegetables that Shakeology contains, you get a more sustained release of energy. And so your energy levels go up, and they stay up for a longer period of time.
Shakeology was rated and certified at 24 by Glycemic Index Laboratories, the premier glycemic testing facility in North America.
Having such a low glycemic index is pretty amazing. Really think you're drinking a milkshake.
But it's a shake that's nutritious for you. With only 9 to 11 grams of sugar per serving and an index rate of 24, Shakeology has a very low glycemic impact.
If you were pre-diabetic and incorporated the shake in your lifestyle, you could potentially, get your sugars back to normal.
I am a diabetic who was injecting insulin twice a day. I started drinking Shakeology, and now my tests show my blood sugar levels are normal.
I drink it before my workouts, and it sustains a healthy blood sugar level for me all the way to the end.
By avoiding carbs on the high end of the GI scale, like white bread, muffins, pretzels, or even some breakfast cereals, you escape that dreaded crashing feeling. Those types of carbs rush into the bloodstream and give you a spike of energy, but only temporarily.
Whenever you have a rapid rise and fall in your glycemic index, that's when you get that crashing feeling. And obviously no one likes to feel like they're crashing because that's when they feel like they have even lower energy than they started with.
If your sugar levels spike repeatedly throughout the day, that puts excessive stress on your pancreas. Your pancreas functions as the great equalizer by releasing insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. But if your pancreas works overtime combating sugar level spikes, it can lead to health problems.
High sugar levels actually damage the blood vessels, and that's one of the reasons that people get coronary disease, carotid disease, vascular disease. So Shakeology is great because it not only tastes good, but it's good for you.
Following a low glycemic index diet that includes Shakeology can help improve your overall health. Find out more by watching what doctors are saying about Shakeology. Just click on the Doctors tab at the top right of your screen. Shakeology is only available through the Team Beachbody Coach Network, so talk to your coach or go to teambeachbody.com, click on the Shop tab, and get Shakeology today. It's nutrition simplified.